again, really grateful for you just being here and even reading my book, I guess. Yeah,
Oh,
that's
great.
really,
No, well
really,
done.
thank you.
I really did
Yeah,
enjoy it. And Linda and I read some bits together and I loved it. Yeah. You're a very good writer.
thank you. Thanks so much.
Beautiful writer.
Yeah, I love
Thanks.
the way she uses metaphor.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that's how I feel like
Absolutely.
I can really connect with everyone because everyone
Yeah.
understands. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Metaphor. Yeah.
And her humor, her sense of humor is so great.
Yeah. No,
It's so
no,
down to
that to me, that makes a book. If you can use humor as well as pathos, you know, because it's not a self-pitying book at all. It's a
no.
book about growth and it's about experiences and it's about, whoa, that journey that a child goes through and then a young woman goes through and then moving to Australia and being in London for a while and oof, yeah.
I was in Egypt too for a bit.
Well,
Yeah.
you need to, yes,
Yes,
that's
yes.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah. You've been following me around.
I know.
Just
No,
just many, many years later, same journey, many, many years later.
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.
Uh, Thank
And
you as well.
I'll see you both soon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're recording that as well. You're going to show clips of it. Clips.
Absolutely. You know me. I can repurpose content like nobody's business.
Yeah.